Welcome back, guys. I know it's been a while. I've just been really busy, but guys, today we're going to be showing you how to fry eggs. I know, so simple, but I just thought I should make a video. And these are a few pictures of some of the final results from frying the eggs. Quickly to the first method, the famous sunny side up eggs. I never knew that I'll begin to love these types of eggs, but it's quite common here in the Western world. However, if it's not your favorite, just keep watching and you'll see some other methods at the end. So quickly for this method, you need very low heat. Don't be in a hurry when you want to make this egg, and this is definitely a fast forwarded video, so the timing is not a true picture of what it is. You have to take your time and slowly cook the egg under low heat. If your gas cooker goes up to level 10, I'd recommend level 5 or even level 3 for this method. Okay, and then slowly just introduce some peppers and some black pepper and some salt on the top of the egg, and then scoop some of the hot oil or some of the warm oil in this pan, scoop it onto the egg so that the other side is also well cooked, and it gets ready in no time. Definitely not as fast as your regular fried egg, but yeah, you can definitely use this for your complete English breakfast with your baked beans and your toasties and your everything that goes with a lovely English breakfast. And guys, look at how beautiful and creamy it looks. Quickly, we're going to the second method, guys. Keep watching. If you're still watching up to now, just give me a thumbs up and definitely recommend this video to someone you love. The second one is a creamy scrambled eggs. I love this, but then I don't make it all the time because it's not as healthy, we're trying to stay healthy. So it has butter and full cream milk, like it's not the skim milk you need for this recipe. It's your butter, your milk, your salt, and the secret ingredient that I use in the end. So keep watching. Whisk your eggs, add in some milk, and guys, for this one again, you need the same very low heat, 3 to 5/10 of your heat for this one, so that the butter doesn't get overcooked. It just melts enough for the scrambled eggs. And so you want this egg milk mixture to slowly cook in this yummy creaminess. You don't want it to get burnt. You want it to cook really slowly, and then you give it a mix from time to time. I love food, I know. Okay, add some salt, some pepper, and then some fresh parsley. No cutting, just really tear them into little pieces. And guys, look at how beautiful that looks. Yeah, it's done. Definitely this would make my brunch, because I don't have the time in the morning to wait for it to slowly cook. Unless you're very organized and you wake up at 5 o'clock, and all of that, then you can make this. But in the morning when I'm rushing, I don't think I'll have the time to make this. Definitely for a brunch, or when kids are in the house, you can give them this to enjoy, and it's really creamy. Look at how beautiful, guys. Okay, I love this. See, when you're making noodles, this is definitely a complimentary dish for your noodles. Definitely anytime. So any number of eggs you like into your plate. Get ready to mix this with some ingredients. Here I have purple onions. Yes, purple onions, not red onions. Come on, guys. In my opinion, these are purple onions any day, anytime. And yes, some fresh tomatoes. These make a whole lot of difference. So some fresh tomatoes, as much as you want. Sometimes I'm feeling in the mood and I use some fresh peppers, like some fresh bell peppers, like the red one and the green one, but anything you like. But you need your fresh tomatoes, some salt, and some habanero pepper for the kick. And then you mix. For this method, you don't need your oil to be on low heat. You need it to be on medium to high heat. Okay, Have you liked the video? What are you waiting for? Thanks for liking it, yeah, and then share and comment. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So any oil of your choice, olive oil, sunflower oil, introduce that to heat, a heated pan, heated oil. You want it to immediately start cooking, okay? And then you shift in the egg so that every part of it gets cooked or almost cooked. And then what you want to do is to flip it so that the other side gets cooked. And guys, this is really, really delicious. I mean, you can imagine how tasty it is, right? Okay, the last but not the least, definitely not the least, if you grew up in Nigeria, this is like one of the commonest ways of frying eggs. If you go to Meshai, Malam, ask them to make noodles for you, this is one of the ways that they fry egg. It's really quick, it's really nice, it's tasty, can go with your noodles, can go with a proper Nigerian breakfast. Introduce that into your agege bread and you wrap it, tighten it, squeeze it, and you enjoy your Niger breakfast. It's really quick, so definitely one of your fast breakfast ideas. Just your regular onions into your egg and salt, and that's it. You can add pepper if you like, and you need the oil for this one to be really, really hot. And guys, that's it. Our eggs are complete and it's time for reckoning. Look at how beautiful. Okay, ta-da! So I'm going to be enjoying this, guys, with a cup of tea and some toasted bread with some fruits. But I think today I'm going to enjoy this one behind the camera. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Ciao. Bye-bye.